Firstly, I want to begin by saying that I'm very grateful to have had the opportunity to take this ethnic study class, as I understand that it is banned or not permitted to be taught in many states. I want to become a child psychologist or a behavior therapist in the future, and I believe that this ethnic studies class has provided me with the skills and the tools that I would need um, to contribute to such a sensitive and diverse working environment. The film Zootopia, we did a lot of research, or it was our first assignment, and at first I was like, why would a film intended for children be something that we need to take into consideration? It seems pretty harmless. But in fact, the film was full of conscious and unconscious biases, which children can internalize and affect their actions and behaviors in the future. So this film specifically, or the research that we did for the film, really opened my eyes and showed me how to become more proactive about identifying these internalized stereotypes in children. In the film Zootopia and in other films out there, or YouTube videos, or whatever it is that children watch for entertainment now, and how I can build empathy and self-worth in children at such a young age, especially if they resonate or feel similarly to the characters in the film. Using such films can also help me tap into how children have felt or how they are feeling. Another thing is cultural competency through the studying the histories and lived experiences of different communities in the United States. I'm able to become more sensitive to certain topics like the mass incarceration of Japanese Americans and the Tulsa incident, and many more things that we studied in this class really showed me how things like racism, discrimination, and systemic inequality can affect a child's mental health and their emotional health as well. So this class really taught me how essential it is to approach children with not with a one-size-fits-all approach that's used by a lot of doctors, but to look at it case by case, since this is children that we're talking about, and they might be struggling to navigate these problems and these emotions that feel really weighty and difficult for them. So this class really taught me how to be sensitive to such topic and be aware of how different things can cause different traumas to children. And again, I'm very grateful to have had taken this class. It really was an eye-opener for me.